Hey, it's Kelly from The Drag Racer's Wife. Now, I've been trying to do this pit cuisine for a couple of months now, but every time I make this recipe at the track, I get to filming it and things get hectic and then I lose pieces of it. So, what I've done is I've kind of compiled what I have that I filmed at the track, and then I took what I missed and I filmed it here at home as I was making it for the family because we love this enchilada recipe. Now, this is not a spicy enchilada. In fact, there's really almost no like Mexican seasonings in it at all. It's a copycat of a restaurant dish at a restaurant that used to be in Raleigh that we absolutely loved. They no longer exist, but I figured out how to make this chicken enchilada with sweet sour cream sauce, and we love it all the time. So enjoy, and it's again easy to do at the track. You can prep a lot of it at home the day before and just take it in the cooler. I hope you guys love it too. All right, this is my assistant Dee and his daughter Shelby. Shelby is going to put some butter on the Blackstone grill for us so that the chicken doesn't stick.
Don't touch the black part, it's very hot.
There we go. Oh, perfect. All right. And then we'll have, you want to put a little bit more maybe? That's fine. There you go. Oh. All right, we got some butter on there. And we'll just put it in. So these are chicken tenders. You can do this with any kind of chicken you want. It can be thighs, it can be chicken breasts. This is just tenders because it's just what I had. We're gonna cook it, and then we're gonna kind of chop the chicken up fine and mix it in with some other stuff to go into the enchiladas. So we'll come back when the chicken's all done and we'll pick it up from there. All right, our chicken is done. We've kind of cut them open to make sure there's no pink inside. So we're gonna take these up into the RV and make our enchiladas. Now I'm rough chopping the chicken, and you can see that I've got most of it done here. Now you can chop it, pull it, make it whatever size you like. I think the enchiladas are easier to eat if you keep the pieces small and easy to bite. Now I'm gonna make the sauce. This is super easy. You take sour cream, and I've put it in a bowl to make it easier to stir, and mix in some sugar. To be perfectly honest, I don't really measure. I go by taste, but I'm using a 1/3 cup measuring cup, and I'm filling it about halfway. Mix that into your sour cream until it's smooth. Now I'm holding the phone with my other hand, so I can't mix it very well, but you get the idea. You want to mix it so it's really smooth, and it'll kind of make the sour cream less stiff. Now it's okay if this sits out while you're cooking the enchiladas. If the sour cream is super cold when you put it on the hot enchiladas, your food will instantly become like ice. So my advice is keep this out of the fridge while you're cooking. Now in the past I've used cheddar or Mexican mixed cheese, but this time I'm using a queso cheese. It melts better and I love the taste. It's so easy to put these together. Just put the chicken on the tortilla, top it with cheese, and roll it up. You might want to add some hot sauce in there if you like some spice. Now I put them in the pan face down so they don't come apart. Now this is going to go in the oven just long enough to be cooked through. The tortillas might get a little crispy on the edges, but I think that helps them hold up to the sauce better. I'm gonna cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes at 325 degrees, but you'll have to check yours and see how it goes. All right, my enchiladas are warmed through and we're ready to sauce them. Now you can sauce them directly in the pan like this, but I personally like to plate them and then sauce them so I can get a lot of sauce in there. This sauce is so sweet and creamy. I love a ton of it on my enchilada. Add a little tortilla chip, add a bit of salsa, and you're ready to go. Again, if you want some spice at this point, you can always add salsa or hot sauce right onto the top into the sour cream. And there you go. Can't wait to dig into this. That's it. It's this super easy Turbo John enchilada recipe. You can make parts of it ahead of time, take it to the track. Easy, simple to do, and it is definitely a crowd favorite. All right, I'm about to eat my dinner. See you guys next time on The Drag Racer's Wife. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends.